Hello friends, we are studying chapter 5th of our class 9th Science NCERT, that is the fundamental unit of life, or in short, the cell. In previous lecture we studied about the structure of plasma membrane, structure and function of the cell wall, and plasmolysis. In this lecture we are going to study about nucleus, DNA, chromosome. Okay? As we studied in the very first lecture of this chapter, that nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Hope you remember that. And now, continuing further, nucleus is the controller of the cell. All the function of the cell are directly or indirectly regulated or controlled by nucleus. It stores genetic information in form of DNA. Okay, what you get from your parent or what is inherited from parents to offspring is DNA, and it is stored in nucleus. In DNA is the content of nucleus, as DNA is the genetic information. Okay, so nucleus keeps the genetic information, stores it, and also during cell division passes it to the next generation. Regarding structure of the nucleus, it is very important to understand that nucleus is a double membrane structure. The content of the nucleus is covered or surrounded by a double membrane, one inner membrane and outer membrane. Okay, it is simple that membrane of nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. As simple as that. Membrane of nucleus, nuclear membrane. Double membrane, inner membrane and outer membrane. Now this inner and membrane, outer membrane at some places bear pores. Several places bear pores which allow transfer of material from inside to outside and vice versa. Okay, nucleus contain chromosomes. What are chromosomes? Chromosomes are the condensed form of chromatin. And chromatin, what is chromatin? Chromatin bear DNA. DNA is condensed, very highly condensed, to form chromatin, and then when the cell is about to divide, chromatin further condenses to chromosome. So nucleus contain chromosome which are rod-like structure visible only when cell is about to divide. You can see here that chromosome look like this. A chromosome is like this, a complete chromosome. It has two chromatid. Center part of chromosome is known as centromere. Okay, this is 4 arms, 2 chromatid. Okay, when it is condensed, but when it is decondensed, you can only see this chromosome when the cell is about to divide. But in normal case, or when the cell is not dividing, you will see chromatin thread like this. Okay, like the see here, this is nucleus of the cell. Okay, double membrane nucleus. This is a double membrane nucleus. Okay, pores, it bears several pores to allow movement of material in and out the nucleus. Now if the cell is dividing, then the genetic material will be in form of chromosome, but when it is not dividing, then chromatin lie inside the nucleus like this, like thread. Okay, there is no regular or proper arrangement of the genetic material. It lie like a thread. But when the cell is dividing, or it is going to divide, the chromatin thread or the genetic material condensed into chromosome. Okay, if we measure the length of single DNA in a single cell, it will come out to be 2.2 meter. Such a great length for a cell. See, हम सेल को नेकेड आई से नहीं देख सकते. We can never see a cell with a naked eye. It is so small. In the order 10 to the power minus 9 or 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, such small entity carrying 2.2 meter. You can imagine the difference in length, 2.2 meter. So to pack DNA in such a little space, infinitely small space, there must be an advanced or absolutely advanced type of packing materials. So we will go to that further. Now here, focus on this. Chromosome contain genetic information which is inherited from parent to offspring in form of DNA. What is chromosome? Nothing but highly condensed form of DNA. Okay, chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein, functional segment of DNA. Now if you see, this is a DNA strand. There are group of genes, that this can be one gene for one function, there can be other gene here for other function. Okay, likewise all the functions in human body is regulated by different type of genes. Okay, when the cell is not dividing, chromatin is visible as untangled mass of thread like structure. Here मैं आपको बताया कि जब सेल डिवाइड नहीं करती है तो जेनेटिक मटेरियल थ्रेड जैसा पड़ा होता है क्रोमेटिन का, ठीक है। और जब डिवाइड करने जाती है तो डिवाइड होने से पहले कैसा क्रोमेटिन थ्रेड हो जाता है, कंडेंस, और बन जाता है क्रोमोसोम। अब हम डीएनए को पैक करते हैं। एक मैं आपको पैकिंग समझा देता हूँ डीएनए का थोड़ा सा, जो आपको समझने में आसानी होगी। क्रोमोसोम क्या होता है, क्रोमेटिन क्या होता है, और डीएनए क्या होता है। जैसे सबसे पहले ये डीएनए है, मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द लिविंग इन बायोलॉजी, और द लिविंग एंटिटी का मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल है। इसका स्ट्रक्चर दिया था वॉटसन एंड क्रिक ने, इनको नोबेल प्राइज मिला था इसका स्ट्रक्चर डिड्यूस करने के लिए 1953 में वॉटसन एंड क्रिक ने दिया था। और मोस्ट डिस्कस्ड मॉलिक्यूल है, वर्ल्ड का मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल है। वी विल स्टडी it in class 12th about its structure. In 11th and 12th you will completely study DNA. Okay, now focus here. This is a single strand. You can see DNA is double stranded. This is a thread of DNA. You can see a patch of DNA here. It is a histone protein. Okay, DNA to pack DNA, proteins are used. So DNA wraps itself around this one histone protein. Okay, this structure is known as nucleosome. What it is known as? Nucleosome. Okay, this is protein. DNA wraps itself around itself into around this protein. Now this nucleosome, this is one unit. 6 nucleosome, 1 2 3 4 5 6 consist of a solenoid. Solenoid consists 6 nucleosome. Now 6 nucleosomes, more and more nucleosome come and attaches together to form super solenoid. This structure is super solenoid. They further condense to form chromatin thread. Okay, now when the cell is in normal state, chromatin thread lie in the nuclear content. Okay, but when the cell is dividing, chromatin condenses to form chromosome. Once the cell division is completed, the genetic material is received from the daughter cell. The genetic material, that is the chromosome, untangle itself and it again forms chromatin thread. Okay, now further we will study more about nucleus and then about other cell organelles. Thank you.